Hi, I'm Sherry. I want to welcome you to my studio today. I am going to start my Be Grateful challenge with a background that I started a long time ago. I made a collage and I scanned in the background and then I printed that out. Then I went in and I collaged over it with tissue papers so that I could make a masterboard. Then I printed that out. And now I am just going to do some more work on it and have a lot of fun with paints and stuff, and that will become part of my piece. I forgot to take this off. That's funny. One of my favorite stamps. So I took my original masterboard to FedEx and I had copies made and they came out a little bit darker this time. I'm going to take the papers and use them to cover the front and back of a composition notebook and the inside of the front as well. So I can make a gratitude journal, and basically I have to start by cutting. But you know how cutting goes, so you don't need to watch me do it. Ran this through my Xyron machine. I've used a little bit of washi tape and I've got a ribbon attached below. After I finish decorating the front of this, I will also add that same washi tape. But first I have to do some painting. I better take my rings off and put on some gloves. Sorry about my voice, y'all. I have taped down the book, covered the spine in case I don't want any of the paint to get on the black. I'm going to come back in with some of these beautiful metallic colors, which should give me just some really pretty highlights. I don't even know if they make these anymore. Like I said, it's very subtle, but let's let this dry and I'll come back and do more. I also want to come back in and add a little bit of this color I had put on the very bottom, which did not show up in the copies. I like that some of the purple is behind the metallic and some is above it. I think this is done. So I'm going to let it dry and come back and finish the inside of the book. Then I made a little bookmark so you could always know where you're at. Left a lot of ribbon because if you do art journaling inside of here, it'll get fat. And that's my gratitude journal. Thanks for watching my video. Please leave any questions or comments you might have, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. I hope you'll subscribe. Thanks again. Bye.